Operation Tulong USA.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Manny Calpito, anchorman of OTUSA.tv. I'd like to read to you the letter that I posted in your groups. It says like this: Operation Tulong USA Foundation Incorporated, dear admin or admins of this group, OTUSA.tv is a public service internet television station broadcasting live on air inside your Facebook, dedicated to helping the OFWs across the globe. I would like to announce, starting this month, September 2012, and forward, OTUSA.tv will be providing a public service for all Facebook groups and members. OTUSA.tv will be visiting your Facebook pages and reading your posts, tags, comments, announcements, advertisements, etc., and will broadcast it live on air worldwide through OTUSA.tv, Facebook, as well as OTUSA.tv's YouTube channel, free. I will repeat, free. Or you can post or tag directly at OTUSA.tv's Facebook page. Thank you. Kuya Manny Calpito, OTUSA.tv founder, inventor, and CEO. Thank you and mabuhay.
Operation Tulong USA.